Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the food adulterations on sense optional. Uh, we know that food adulteration is one of the important part of this uh, optional. So what is food adulteration? Friends, we are nowadays we have seen that many inferior quality of foods have been coming to the market instead of good quality standard foods. But food adulteration means what? Adulteration, we mean adulteration is degrading the quality of food, degrading the quality of food. How the quality of food is degraded? How the quality of food is degraded, friends? Food quality is degraded or deteriorated. You can say deteriorated, degraded or degrading. Deteriorated. You can say deteriorated, deteriorated by adding some cheaper substance on food substance instead of the required components of food. By adding unuseful substances or by extracting extracting or removing the essential components. Okay friends, the food quality is degraded by adding some inferior quality or cheaper quality, by adding some inferior unusual or cheaper inferior you can use these substances to the food, or extracting or removing the essential components, the essential nutrients from the food. Is it right? By this two way, why this is done? In order to get, what is the purpose? To get maximum profit, or to get or to gain or to earn, you can say earn maximum profit from the consumer. Friends, by the degrading quality of food, not only the consumer is suffered, but the standards of health and is deteriorated. By that way, the development of a nation is hampered. If we are not getting food, quality of food, we are not getting standard food, then how can we uh, become healthy? How can we be mentally or physically fit? How the nation will develop if we are not taking the good nutrients or essential components particularly? So these are the meaning of this food adulterations. How this food adulteration is taking place in India. Okay, by degrading the quality, by adding some inferior or cheaper or essential components in order to get or maximum profit from the same quantity of food. Is it right? Friends, food is declared adulterant. Food is declared if if the quality of food is depreciated. Quality of food is depreciated. The quality of food is depreciated. Number one, we can say, or adding some cheaper or inferior, friends, adding some cheaper or inferior substances to the food. Okay. Number one, where the quality of food is depreciated. Number one, or by adding some cheaper or inferior substances to the food. By adding some unnecessary colors to the food. Number four, we can say by imitation. It is these are the ways in which food is declared adulterant friends. Again speaking, number one, by depreciating the quality of foods. If you depreciate the value or quality of foods, number one. Number two, by adding some cheaper or inferior substance in order to get maximum property or maximum profit from the consumer. Number three, by adding some unnecessary colors to make it attractive. To make it attractive. This may not to make attractive. These colors may be harmful or injurious. These colors may be harmful or injurious to the health. Number four, by imitation. By imitation means by following the standard of other food. Means if in order to get maximum sell, in order to get maximum profit or maximum profit, they imitate the other products. Imitate means you can say duplicate products. They imitate the brand of other products and sell in the market. That is called what imitation. Okay, friends. Let us see how the food adulterant is protected in India. Prevention of food adulteration. Friends, how the food adulteration is prevented? Prevention of food. The Government of India, the Government of India taking measures from time to time in order to protect the standard of food, in order to taking steps from time to time. Okay, from time to time to protect the quality of food. Okay, friends, the Government of India taking steps from time to time in order to protect or prevent the quality of foods. Number one, we can say. Number two, food quality, food quality protection acts or laws has been made. Product order, food product order is issued. Food product in order to standard the Food Quality Protection Act laws have been made. Food Product Order (APO), Food Product Order (APO) is issued. Food Quality Protection Act, Food Protection Act have been implemented from the time to time in order to maintain the standards of quality. And these charge in order to quality of standard or quality of standard of food can be maintained by an organization which is called Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards. That means you can say BIS is taking the responsibility of maintaining the quality or standards of food. Then how the food quality is maintained? Number one, by printing the date of manufacture, by printing the date of manufacture and date of expiry, by mentioning the date of manufacture and date of expiry. Number two, by mentioning the quantity of food, by mentioning the quantity of food. Okay, friends. Number one, by printing the date of manufacture and the date of expiry. Number one. Number two, by mentioning the quantity of food. Okay. Next one is uh, by maintaining the minimum standards of food. By maintaining the minimum standards of food. This can be done in order to prevent or protect the quality or standards of food. Okay, friends, this is all about what is food adulterations and how food adulteration is made and how the food adulteration is prevented and what is the role of BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. This is all about today's. Thanks.